Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll share with you what all new items I added to my kitchen. This is not a promotional video. We ordered all the items online and opted for store pickup. I got all the items from different stores like Macy's, Walmart, Kohl's and Costco, and all the items are under $16. I got a wok, I got a skillet and some mixing bowls and some soup pots. I think all of them are good deals. If you also bought any of these, please share it with me in the comment section. I got a soup pot, a stainless steel one and a multi-cooker, both from Macy's. This is the 4-quart soup pot that I bought from Macy's. This is from the brand Tools of the Trade and I bought it for $10. It has a glass lid. So you can have a look at the food when it's cooking. And I have already used it 2-3 times. I cooked some rice in it and it looks okay as long as I use it in medium heat. We can saute things in medium heat, but I don't know about high heat. I don't want to take the risk because it has a sandwiched bottom and I already have a karai which I brought from India and it actually worked fine for 3 years, and when I use it on my electric stove, the bottom layer is opening up. The sandwiched layer is trying to come apart. That's the main reason I wanted to buy a new one. So I don't want to take any risk with this one. For short term, this is a good deal. I don't know about long term. And you can also use it for storing dosa batter or any other batter. As long as you cook something with a lot of liquid, it's fine. I got this one also from Macy's. It says it's a multi-cooker. This multi-cooker comes with a glass lid and a steamer. This is also 4-quart, but you can use this for sauteing and for cooking all types of food. This is anodized material, but inside it has a non-stick coating. Since I'm not going to use this on a regular basis, I thought it's okay. This is fine for making kheer or a small quantity of pulao or biryani. I thought I can use it as a backup whenever I make large quantities of food. This is the steamer I was talking about. You can cook 2 items at the same time. You can steam vegetables when you're cooking something else in the pot. And the best part about this steamer is it fits both the soup pot and the multi-cooker. So I can use it along with any one of them. And I got this multi-cooker for $15. I think it's okay. It's a good deal. Instruction says that we can wash it in the dishwasher and the handles are riveted. They are really good. It says it's PFOA and PTFE free, but still it's non-stick, so we have to be very careful while using it. The next one I got is a large skillet. I already have a large griddle and I'm using it for the past 3 years. I use it to make dosa, omelette, and I have even baked pizzas in it and they are very good. I'm very happy with it. But that's ordinary large product, but this is chef's collection. So I don't know how this is going to be. I don't know how better this is going to be from the ordinary one. Let me use this and I will give you the reviews and how different it is and how better it is. This can also be used in the oven. For a cast iron product, this is very lightweight. But the reviews say that it's really good. This is a 10-inch skillet. I can use this for shallow frying and roasting. The handles are very short, so we have to be extremely careful while cooking because cast iron gets extremely hot while cooking. That happens to my griddle too, so I always use a mitten And you can see the price here. It says $34.99, but actually I got it for $16 in a deal. I got the link from Slick Deals and I immediately ordered and picked it from the store. I think for $16 it's a very good deal because it's going to last for a lifetime. And it is already pre-seasoned, so I can wash it properly and I can start using it right away. I didn't season my griddle also because that was also pre-seasoned. So I washed it and I started making dosas, and right from the first dosa it came out very well. I will be using it a lot because it's a healthier option. I got this one from Kohl's. I'm just waiting to see how better it's going to be. If you want to know my reviews, please let me know. If you already own one, please let me know about your reviews and experiences. The next item that I bought is a wok. I bought it from Walmart. It's from Mainstay and it is non-stick. I bought it for $6. The offer is still going on, and I think even during Thanksgiving you'll get the same offer. What I like the most about this wok is it's too big. It's 13.5 inches and for $6 it's too big. It's non-stick, so I was a little hesitant to buy it, but a friend of mine gave a very good review. She sent me the link also, so I bought it. I'm planning to use this only for making Chinese food items, and that is going to be very rare. This has wooden handles on both sides. It has a broad base, a flat one, so I can use it on my electric stove. It will be easy to make large quantities of food like fried rice. It will be easy to mix all the rice and vegetables. And I think for $6 it's a very good deal. You can't ask for more. And finally I got some of the mixing bowls I was planning to buy for a long time, and I never thought that I'll get that at Costco for such a low price. I got this set for $12 and it has 4 bowls with lids. This is from Pyrex. I already bought a Pyrex glass set from Costco, which I mainly use for storing and packing food. The good thing about this is it doesn't take much space. You can stack and put it away. And the lids are so colorful, they look so vibrant. My other Pyrex set that I bought from Costco is unbreakable, and its lid also has got lifetime warranty because it's from Snapware, but I don't know about this glass set. And the lid also doesn't have any replacement warranty, so I have to use this gently. But I think for $12 it's a good deal because the bowls are very big. I think we can use it both as a mixing bowl for preparing food and also as a serving dish. Considering the size of the bowl, we can store large quantities of food and serve it from the same bowl. And since this is Pyrex, we can put it inside the microwave and reheat the food. But we should be careful not to put the lid because it's plastic. And we can also use it in the oven for baking purpose. And look at the design. The other Pyrex set doesn't have any design, it's very plain. But outside this one has beautiful design and the lids are so colorful. It adds color to the kitchen. Thank you for watching my video patiently. I hope you enjoyed watching the video as much as I enjoyed showing all my utensils to you. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe.